Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about how to add your website on Google Search Console. This is very important tutorial for SEO learner, and definitely you should watch this video from start to end. So, let's get started. So first of all, we want to know about Google Search Console. So I want to ask a question on Google. What is Google Search Console? The answer is Google Search Console is a free service offered by Google that helps you to monitor, maintain, and troubleshoot your site for presence in Google search results. So this is very important part for SEO learners. If you have any website or if you want to work for a client website, so definitely you should know about Google Search Console. I will make some videos for the Google Search Console, and that will help you to do some advanced work for your clients or for your own website. So first of all, we want to go Google Search Console, and we want to know how to create an account and how to add our website. So first of all, I want to go Google Search Console. So first time when you will go on Google, just search Google Search Console, then you will see the link, this kinds of search result, Google Search Console. Then you should click here, and I want to click. Then you will see this kinds of interface, and you should click just start now. So when you first time visit on Google Search Console, is empty, but I have already I have already add my website on Google Search Console. That's why showing my website here. But if you want to add your website, definitely you will see this kinds of interface, and you should click here. Okay, so I want to click here, and there are a lot of website I have already added, but I want to you will see these kinds of option like add property. So I want to click here, add property. After click the add property option, you will see the option. The first option is domain. Here is the option to verify your search website with the Search Console. So I recommend use this option, that is URL prefix. So just copy your website URL. For an example, I have already copied my website and I want to submit here. So I want to put here, then click continue. Then it's automatically verified with Google Tag Manager. But when you will add any other website like okay, I want to add another website for my client website, so I want to submit again, and I will give you guys the option what will show when you submit the first time. Okay, so when you will submit the first time with your website, you will see these kinds of option like the verify option, verify ownership. So here it is. The first option is HTML file. So download this HTML file and upload this, you upload it to your website backend. So here is the full details. Also you will see the another option is HTML tag. Also see the Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. So this is there is lots of option to verify your ownership on Google Search Console. So if you want to verify your website, I recommend first of all you should add your website on Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager, then submit your website from your Google Search Console. Definitely that will help you to verify your website automatically that you have already seen. So this is very basic things. I think you can easily do it, and but if you have you are facing any problem and if you have any question, please feel free to comment below. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and definitely I will make another video for the Search Console that will help you to learn SEO. Thank you so much. Bye.